Good afternoon, Maguire's family. My name is Mason Stamen, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 F-150 SXT in this absolutely beautiful magma color. Coming to the back of the truck, you have the non-powered tailgate option with an absolutely beautiful and almost brand new drop-in bed liner. Plenty of tire tread left, beautiful chrome rims, and as we move into the back seats, you can tell that there is absolutely plenty of storage. Fold down seats with the security box underneath, and this F-150 is featuring the completely rubber carpet floors, front and back, one massive car mat spanning the entire length of the floor. Back here is 2 power volts, a 12 volt, and a regular plug-in. Moving up into the front, you can see we do have the cloth seats, not leather on this version, but they are still very, very comfy and very stylish. Large main screen featuring a backup camera, navigation, Sync 3 technology. And this 2018 F-150 has only 28,000 miles. So if you're interested, come down to Maguire's Ford in Palmyra, Pennsylvania, ask for Mason Stamen, and we'll make sure you ride home in this. Thank you so much, guys.